Diabetes. It's a word that can send shivers down your spine, a diagnosis that often feels like a heavy burden. It's a word that carries weight, often accompanied by worry and uncertainty. The moment you hear it, a flood of questions and fears can overwhelm you. What does this mean for my future? How will my life change? Millions of people around the world face this diagnosis, and many feel trapped by its implications. The anxiety of managing blood sugar levels and the stress of lifestyle changes can be daunting. But here's the empowering truth. Diabetes doesn't have to be a life sentence. It doesn't have to define you or limit your potential. With the right approach, you can manage and even reverse diabetes naturally. You have the power to take control of your health and reverse diabetes naturally. This journey is about more than just managing symptoms. It's about reclaiming your vitality and living a full, vibrant life. This isn't about a quick fix or a magic pill. It's about understanding your body, making informed choices, and committing to a healthier lifestyle. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle, step by manageable step. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant improvements in your health. Over the next 4 weeks, we'll journey together to understand the power of food as medicine, the importance of movement, and the profound impact of stress management. We'll explore how these elements can transform your health and well-being, and the profound impact of stress management. Stress can have a significant impact on your blood sugar levels, and learning to manage it effectively is crucial. Get ready to rewrite your story, one healthy choice at a time. Each decision you make, no matter how small, can contribute to a healthier, happier you. This is your guide to reclaiming your health. Let's get started. Together, we'll navigate this journey, empowering you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Remember, you are not alone. There is a community of people who have walked this path and emerged stronger. You can do this. Let's embark on this transformative journey together, step by step, day by day. Your health is in your hands, and the possibilities are endless. Let's get started. This week, we're focusing on the foundation of your health, your diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in how you feel, how you look, and how well your body functions. It's not just about counting calories or following the latest fad diet. It's about making informed choices that nourish your body and support your overall well-being. Don't worry, this isn't about deprivation. You don't have to give up all your favorite foods or starve yourself to be healthy. Instead, it's about balance and making smarter choices. It's about enjoying a variety of foods that are both delicious and nutritious. It's about making simple swaps to nourish your body and stabilize your blood sugar. Small changes can make a big difference. For example, swapping white bread for whole grain bread can provide more fiber and nutrients, helping you feel fuller longer and keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. First, we're saying goodbye to added sugars. Added sugars are found in many processed foods and drinks, and they can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and other health issues. By cutting out added sugars, you can reduce your risk of these problems and improve your overall health. That means cutting out sugary drinks, processed snacks, and desserts. Instead of reaching for a soda or a candy bar, try drinking water or eating a piece of fruit. These simple changes can help you reduce your sugar intake and improve your health. These foods spike your blood sugar, wreaking havoc on your body. When you eat foods high in sugar, your blood sugar levels can rise quickly, leading to a crash later on. This can leave you feeling tired and hungry, and it can also increase your risk of developing diabetes and other health problems. Instead, we'll be filling your plate with fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think leafy greens, colorful peppers, broccoli, and carrots. These vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Chicken breast, salmon, and other lean proteins like turkey and tofu. These proteins can help build and repair your muscles, and they can also help you feel full and satisfied. Avocados and nuts. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil can help support your brain health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Embracing low glycemic index (GI) foods is key. These foods are digested more slowly, which can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes. These foods are digested slowly, preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. By choosing low GI foods, you can help keep your energy levels steady and avoid the highs and lows that come with eating high sugar foods. Swap white bread for whole grain options, which are higher in fiber and nutrients. Whole grain bread can help you feel fuller longer and provide more sustained energy throughout the day. white rice for brown rice or quinoa, which are also higher in fiber and nutrients. These whole grains can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and provide more sustained energy, and regular potatoes for sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and they have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, which can help keep your blood sugar levels stable. You'll be amazed at how delicious healthy eating can be. By making these simple swaps and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, you can improve your health and enjoy delicious meals at the same time. So let's start transforming your plate and transforming your health today. Welcome to week 2, where we're putting the move in movement as medicine. This week, we're diving deep into the transformative power of physical activity and how it can be a game changer for your health and well-being. This week, we're incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's something for everyone. The key is to find what works best for you and to make it a consistent part of your life. Don't worry if you haven't exercised in a while. We'll start gradually and build from there. It's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard too soon. Start with small, manageable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can be broken down into shorter sessions if needed. The goal is to get your heart rate up and keep it there for a sustained period. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or any other activity that gets you moving and makes you feel good. The important thing is to find something you enjoy and stick with it. Cycling, dancing, or even a fun group fitness class can be great options. The social aspect of group activities can also provide additional motivation and make the experience more enjoyable. Find activities you enjoy, that way it won't feel like a chore. When you look forward to your workouts, you're more likely to stick with them in the long run. Plus, trying new activities can keep things interesting and help you discover new passions. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it helps your body use insulin more effectively, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity can also help lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Plus, it boosts your mood, improves sleep, and reduces stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It can also help you relax and unwind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's a win-win all around. By making movement a regular part of your life, you're not only improving your physical health, but also enhancing your mental and emotional well-being. So let's get moving and make this week a step towards a healthier, happier you. Section 4, Week 3, Finding Calm in the Chaos. As we enter Week 3, we're shifting our focus inward to address the impact of stress. Stress hormones can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels, so learning to manage stress is crucial for reversing diabetes. This week, we're exploring the power of mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga. Even a few minutes of deep breathing each day can make a world of difference. Meditation helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve focus. Yoga combines gentle movement with deep breathing, promoting relaxation and flexibility. Find a quiet space, roll out your mat, and allow yourself to unwind. You deserve this time for self-care. Section 5, Week 4, You've got this. Congratulations on making it to Week 4. You've come so far in just a few short weeks. This week, we're celebrating your progress and reinforcing the healthy habits you've cultivated. Remember those delicious meals you've been enjoying? Keep it up. Embrace those colorful plates packed with vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And don't forget about those low GI swaps you've made. Keep moving your body. Those walks, jogs, or dance sessions, they're now part of your healthy lifestyle. And those moments of calm you found through meditation or yoga, continue to prioritize them.